Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. Now when it comes to makeup, I'm sure like me, even most of you girls also love to, accentuate your eyes because, your eyes, if they are well defined, can, put your whole look together. And, when it comes to eye makeup, most of us love applying a nice good eyeliner because when you apply an eyeliner ना आपका eyes already, बहुत अच्छे से well defined हो जाता है. So once you're done applying your eyeliner, बस आपको और कुछ भी लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स क्या होता है ना, ईदर वी डोंट फाइंड द राइट काइंड ऑफ आई लाइनर या तो द ब्रश ऑफ द आई लाइनर इज़ नॉट लाइक ईजी टू यूज़. एंड नाउ दैट इट्स लाइक रेनी सीज़न है तो वाटर प्रूफ आई लाइनर कभी नहीं मिल पाता है. तो बहुत सारे इश्यूज हो सकते हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू फाइंडिंग द परफेक्ट आई लाइनर. And that is why in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all one such eyeliner which I've been currently loving and absolutely loving in fact. And this eyeliner is by the brand called Mama Earth. So Mama Earth has just launched their waterproof soothing eyeliner. So the Mama Earth soothing waterproof eyeliner has been crafted with long lasting formula that stays for up to 10 hours. It is also enriched with the goodness of almond oil, castor oil and vitamin E that helps to soothe and nourish your eyes. You'll also get a perfect black matte finish and that too within just one single stroke. So the Mama Earth Soothing Waterproof Liner comes in this kind of a very cute and sleek packaging. आप देख सकते हो ये मेरा फिंगर है एंड इसका साइज़ देख लो आप. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट और पेटीट पैकेजिंग में ये आपको मिल जाता है. एंड द पैकेजिंग इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड क्लासी, वेरी मिनिमल, very much like other Mama Earth products which I really like. And the best part about this eyeliner is the wand. Okay, now if you carefully see the brush of this eyeliner, it is so thin and so precise guys. And that is why जो अगर आपको कोई भी टाइप का ग्राफिक लाइनर बनाना है या विंग लाइनर बनाना है जैसे कि मैंने बनाया, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंटली ये आप बना पाते हो इसके हेल्प की मदद से. बिकॉज क्या हो जाता है ना, ये व्हेन द ब्रश इज़ सो नाइस एंड थिन एंड फ्लेक्सिबल, इट गिव्स यू नाइस कंट्रोल ओवर योर eyeliner. मतलब आपको जैसे आपका eyeliner लगाना है, इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक इट लाइक अ नाइस ग्राफिक लाइनर, तो भी आप उसको बहुत अच्छे से बना सकते हो. एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई ऑलवेज लव हैविंग eyeliners that have nice and thin this kind of bristles जो बहुत ज़्यादा थिन होते हैं, नैरो होते हैं, so that you get much more precision when it comes to your wing liner as well. Also this eyeliner comes with a quick drying formula that dries within just 10 seconds. ठीक है, तो अभी मैंने ये eyeliner लगाया हुआ है. Now let me just wait for at least 10 to 15 seconds, जिसके बाद I'll just try to smudge it and show you guys because इसका formula ही ऐसा है that it's like a very quick drying formula. So within 10 to 15 seconds this will settle into a completely matte finish. And another best part about this eyeliner is that it gives you black matte finish in one single stroke itself. तो आपको बार बार रीअप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. विद इन जस्ट वन सिंगल स्ट्रोक यू विल गेट ईजिली एकदम ही मस्त ब्लैक मैट फिनिश आपको मिल जाएगा. Another best part about this eyeliner is that you can use it on a daily basis because it is made safe certified. So there's absolutely no toxins and no parabens in this eyeliner. And the highlight of this eyeliner is that it is also a waterproof eyeliner. So abhi because monsoon season hota hai, so if you are going out, if you're going to venture out, you need a good waterproof eyeliner so that थोड़ा सा भी अगर पानी वगैरह गिर जाएगा तो वो it should not disrupt your eyeliner, right? आपका eyeliner should stay intact, and that is where this eyeliner performs even better because this is a completely waterproof formula. So ये लगा के almost like 10 seconds हो चुका है and see it's an absolutely like 10 seconds में quick drying formula है. within 10 seconds you can see बिल्कुल भी smudge नहीं होता है. So now I'm going to show you a quick waterproof test as well. So मैं बस थोड़ा सा पानी लेके इस पे लगा रही हूँ. See, can you see how like rigorously I am applying the water on this eyeliner, but it is not smudging at all. So it's a completely nice waterproof formula. तो रेनी सीजन के लिए तो एकदम ही परफेक्ट हो जाता है. इफ़ यू जस्ट वांट टू जस्ट अप्लाई अ नाइस छोटा सा विंग लाइनर, यू विल बी टोटली सॉर्टेड बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ कम्प्लीटली वाटरप्रूफ फॉर्मूला. तो ये कहीं नहीं जाने वाला है. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू गो एनीवेयर. तो ये निकालने के लिए यू विल नीड अ गुड ऑयल बेस्ड वाटरप्रूफ रिमूवर या क्लेंजर. and also the price point is really amazing. It is only for rupees 399. That is what I really like about Mamaearth products, you know, because उनके quality तो होती ही है amazing, but it is also price point wise also they are very affordably priced. So it's great for even, you know, college goers. अगर आप एक college student है, अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा, you know, pocket money वगैरह नहीं है, तो भी, you know, these kind of you know, affordable products which are of such great quality will definitely fit your budget, which is what I really like about Mamaearth. Also, Mamaearth is all about goodness inside, and this goodness just doesn't lie in their products but also in the values that they stand for. So I really appreciate Mamaearth for its plant goodness initiative, which means that every time you make a purchase from their website, they will link your order to a tree that they plant. And by 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. And also, Mamaearth is plastic positive, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use, and they now recycle over 240 metric tons of plastic every month. Also, Mamaearth products are currently available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Purple, Mamaearth's official website, as well as their own application. So in case if you want to buy this eyeliner or any other Mamaearth products, then you can get them at a flat 20% discount by using my coupon code, which is mentioned right here. But this coupon code is only applicable on Mamaearth's official website and their own application. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you did find this video useful and helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're watching me for the first time, please do consider subscribing to my channel because it would really mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.